All right, welcome everyone. We've actually got everything combined into one piece right now. No stray pieces laying around, so let's change that. Get started on step 17 today. So B11 and B12, which I think, yep, the last two pieces on B. Get them to pop out. And I think that clears us on. Yeah, those are spare pieces on the C. A is clear, so A, B, and C are all cleared out. Then sheet D, it should be, yeah, there you are. Need D1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Easy enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Move you out of the way a little bit. These pieces always bother me, the sort of flimsy, longer pieces like this. It always feels like I'm going to break them. I guess I could take D4 out first, might make it easier. Okay, and 5. And on an unrelated note, today was the day the new season of The Mandalorian came out, so I was pleased with that, so I'm happy. It's sort of no spoilers here. They just sort of laid the foundation for this season. They made very little actual progress on the story, so which is sort of standard for the first episode of a new season. I'm ready to see the adventures of Mando and Grogu again. I think they've been turning those out pretty. Of course, it helped they threw a major storyline in with the Book of Boba Fett too, to sort of tide us over, or tied me over anyway. I try not to be one of those people that assumes everybody's a fan of the stuff that I'm a fan of, but that's really good. Come on, guys. Even if you're not a Star Wars person, that's still. They don't do much. It's more action than magic on this one. Mostly. I guess there is a little bit of the cosmic magicians up in it too. But they're really more lean on the blasters and the space fights. Did I do that? No, I didn't do that. Okay. No, it didn't get the top. All right. I guess all our pieces sanded up and everything, so that's what we got. Okay, got D2 and B12. This goes on first, it says. And where do you go? Into these slots. I'm guessing, yeah, and that looks like it's gonna line up. Yeah, back there. Oh, wait a second. Maybe that's. Oh, okay. The first slot, not the second one. Yeah, so it'll go in here first and swing it over here. Supposedly. There it went, yeah. Alright. Easy enough. And I did, while I'm here thinking about it, since I just did it, I did stitch the all the first 16 videos together. I took out all the prep work and sanding and everything, and it's just strictly the assembly part of the videos, and I will post that at the end. So all the, like I say, all the different pieces showing how it fits together are going to be available in one place. Okay, oh, then, okay, so D4 goes on the top. You just go there, and doesn't want to go on there, but it did. Okay, so that's got some structure to it now. That's good. I like that. Then the 3 is on this side. Goes in the, okay, here and here. Smush you in. And it sort of rests against the edge there. No holes or anything up here. And same thing over here. And D5 on that. Yep. And there goes. I see the big blowout on that veneer there. That's really starting to be. I'm sort of wondering about that on this one. It seems maybe it's because the parts are so much bigger than what I'm used to dealing with on these kits. Maybe the smaller parts are more stable and able to keep things from falling apart. But at the almost 7.5 minute mark, that's complete step 17. And 18 looks to be, okay, 18 I think it's going to be the smokestack, so I think that's what that is. So that's going to be a long one, it looks like, fairly bunch of pieces. But that's, like I say, that's coming together. I think once it gets a few more pieces and get everything stabilized, it'll hold everything together. I think that'll be good. There's nothing else to go. Nope, that's all the pieces. Okay. So, that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.